Hello guys, in today's video I'll be talking about basic structure of HTML, but I'll be hitting more on the tag. HTML is the markup language with tag, and this tag identifying the part of document to behave in a certain way, for example to act as a link or to make the text bold. Tag generally consists of an opening and a closing pair, and they are written in lowercase using angle brackets. Example of tag here is our HTML. This is an example of tag, and the way you see me write this HTML, this is actually the open tag. Then the only difference between the open tag and the closing tag is the slash. You place your slash and your HTML. This is how you open and this is how you close. This is the two difference between the open tag and the closing tag. I want to tell you more on what that closing tag is really useful and why it's important. Closing tag, I'll explain that on my next video. Now let me just tell you the structure of HTML. Now the first structure of HTML is your doc type. Your doc type, place your angle bracket followed by your exclamation mark. Then the doc type should be on capital letter, then followed by your HTML in small letter and close. What is this doc type is for? This declare the document type, which is HTML5. So the doc type on the screen there declare that this is actually HTML5. Then after your doc type we have your HTML. Now this HTML is considered, this tag is considered to be the head of the family. It is from this tag your browser recognize it is an HTML document, and this tag HTML is also called the root element. Now after this tag HTML we have our head, the head tag. Now this head tag, this is a special tag, and the content inside is not displayed on the web page. It is comprised of the title or any other instruction which you want to provide to the web browser. For example, this is my head tag. I can place a title. My title can be demo. So this is going to display on the browser window my demo. Then close the title. Then if I have any other thing to talk, to write, then I can also write it under the head tag, but for now I'm going to be stopping at the title. Then I close my head tag. Then we have our HTML, which actually tell that this browser, which actually tell the browser this is an HTML document. Then the head, which is actually displayed on the window browser, your title. Then after the head we have our body. Now the body, this is where all the actual content that is visible on the web page is written. Now all the elements such as your heading, your paragraph, your image are placed under the body tag. Then after your body tag you have your close body tag. So this is actually the basic structure of HTML. This is arranged. You can arrange it how you want it, but it must be accordingly. Your doc type first, your HTML, your head, the closing of your head, your body, the closing of your body, and the closing of your HTML document. Now if this is your first time watching me on YouTube, I would like you to click the subscribe button, hit my like, and use the comment box for your any other question. On my next video I'll be talking about how to use elements under the body tag. There are a lot you have to know about the body tag and the elements used under them, and there are still some things you still have to know about the head tag and some other elements you can use under your head tag. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as I'll be posting my next video very soon, and I'll be talking about elements you can use under the body tag.